The objective of this program is to extract speech or text from a video. The program execution process involves these steps. Run the program. Feed any video to this program, like a .mp4 file. Convert the video, or .mp4, to speech, or .wav file. Then convert the speech, or .wav file, to a text, or the .txt file. So here comes the program code. You can copy this program code from the pinned comment section of this video. On the first 2 lines we import a couple of libraries. Note that you have to pip install the following Python libraries. Number 1, Speech Recognition. It is a Python library for performing speech recognition functions, supports popular APIs, speech engines, etc. Number 2, mp3. It is the module for video editing, video compositing, creating advanced effects, to read and write most common audio and video formats, etc. Also note that you will need to install ffmpeg library if issues crop up when installing the mp3 library. Program control shifts to first line of program code. Here, we create an instance of the video file clip class, and pass the video file name as reference. The prefix r ensures that a character following a backslash is included in the string without change, and all backslashes are left in the string. Here it doesn't matter, because we have just the video name, video1.mp4, and not the entire path. Please use a lightweight video file to avoid delay in processing. Now, note that since I haven't mentioned any directory path for the video file, the Python interpreter fetches the video1.mp4 file from current working directory, where I am running this Python program. Let's view this video.
Everybody has a turn back moment. You have a moment where you could go forward or you can give up. But the thing you have to keep in mind before you give up is that if you give up, the guarantee is it will never happen. That's the guarantee of quitting, that it will never happen, no way under the sun. The only way the possibility remains that it can happen is if you never give up, no matter what.
On next line of program code, we convert the video to an audio file, and save it onto the desktop as speech.wav. Note here how the prefix r allows us to put the directory path along with \character, without using the escape sequence. For first-timers, remove character r, and find the difference. If without r, you can use the double backslash. Control now shifts to the next line. Here, an instance of the speech recognizer class is created. We next create an instance of the audio file class, and pass as parameter the audio file name speech.wav. This statement converts audio file of any type, or extension, like .wav, or .mp3 etc., into a generic audio format. Control then enters the with statement, where we convert contents of speech.wav file, by first storing the audio data in another audio file instance called source, and then as per the next line of code, the record function method records the entire speech from speech.wav file into an audio data instance named audio_file. Next, the recognize Google function is used to access Google Web Speech API and to convert the language being spoken into text matter, which is then temporarily stored in the location named result. Finally, the next with statement is used to save the text matter generated into a text document named audiotext.txt onto the system desktop. At the end is printed a success result message. We now have on the desktop 2 files: the speech.wav file and the audiotext.txt file. If you click on the text file, it would look like this. So, let's quickly review what we did here. We first supplied our program with a video file named video1.mp4. We then extracted from it the audio file named speech.wav. Next, irrespective of video file type or its extension, we created a generic audio format named audio. A copy of the file named audio is created with name source for processing it. Speech from within the file named source is processed and converted to text content, which is then stored in a temporary memory location named result. Finally, the textual content from memory location result is saved into a permanent file named audiotext.txt. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.